Welcome, in front of me is ZTE Blade A73, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use a no-tooth brush, which you no longer use. Firstly, insert one of the part of the brush to the connector and brush the dirt out. That's it. It's very easy to do because toothbrush is the best tool to clean your connector. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!